Hi everybody, good day to you and welcome back. If this is your first time here, just welcome. I'm glad you're here. This is a 19 Isuzu NPR V8 gas powered HD cube van box delivery truck, and customer states that they had some electronic devices installed and now the cigarette lighters / 12-volt outlet plugs and the radio do not work. So let us investigate such things. We're also looking at 37,589 miles on the odometer. Up we go. First things first, it's a little warm in here, so let's fire up the climate control. Well, that's interesting. Nobody mentioned this. Bunch of warning indicators. Now the brake light, that's me. I've got the parking brake on. Oh, no, it's not. On or off, the brake light's still on. Okay. Well, we're dealing with an electrical problem, so let's diagnose the electrical issue first, and then we can circle back to this other stuff. First on the list, let's fire up the multimeter. We're just going to check for some voltage. I believe the fuse panel on these NPRs is not there. That's it. There's our fuse and relay panel down here. I have an alligator clipped cable connected to the negative side of the meter lead, and we will just connect the ground side to a good chassis ground. I choose that one right there. That's good. Let's test our ground. Continuity with an alarm, and we have a good ground. That's good. We'll check it one more spot down here just to make sure. Okay, audible chime indicates we have good ground connection for the meter. Let's check these fuses down here. Okay, so the radio I verified does not operate, and we have not checked the 12-volt outlets. So let's back up some, and we'll plug the meter into the center of those outlets there. All right, there's ground. All right, both outlets are grounded. And let's switch back over to voltage. There we go. And we'll probe the center pin. Hope you guys can see. All right, I'm on the pin in the middle and no volts. Check this pin down here too in the center. And also no volts. So we have verified their complaint. No power at the 12-volt outlets and no radio function. Okay, let's review what the key is telling us. Audio / accessories, that looks like it's fuse 24 15 amp, and it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 slots from the edge. So let's go. I think that's the one. No, let's see, 1 2 3, there's the empty. Number 19 is the empty. 4 5 6 7 8. This is 9. What is this? Aftermarket excellence. Okay, I think we're onto something here. Let's just check the fuse panel, make sure that has power where it's supposed to. And the survey says not on that side, but this side, yes, we have charging system voltage. Get that out of here. Okay, so we've got power at the panel, but we have this add-a-fuse device here that was plugged into it with no fuses added. This is supposed to take 2 fuses. One fuse for the original circuit, then the second fuse is for this additional circuit, which I don't know where this goes. Maybe it's for whatever they had installed, backup camera or something like that. Let me go find some fuses and plug some fuses into that thing and see what happens. Be right back. I went digging in my pile of goodies and I found a couple micro fuses. These are 15 amps, indicated by the blue color. Let's plug these guys in. We may have a installation error going on here. That doesn't even want to go in there. Why? Begin plugging in now, please. You know what? I'm gonna mess with you guys. Watch this. Oh, you're gonna be mad at me? See what I've done? Okay, let's plug this thing back in. And I still don't have the radio yet. Let's check this for power. Okay, one side has power, no power, and again, no power. I wonder if these are need to be a certain direction. Let's try it this way. Let's see what we've got next. Okay, power, no power. We should have power here at this second fuse, but we do not. Something is wrong with this thing, other than the obvious. Let me wiggle these around some. Oh, did you hear that relay click when I wiggled it? I did. This is screwy. What's going on? I know I heard that relay click. Okay. Let's see if I have any power at the 12-volt outlets. That's a negative. All right, so what's going on here is this little add-a-fuse thing is not completing the original circuit. It's sending power down this new circuit, but it's not doing anything for the original circuit. So the original circuit is shut down. Let's try it in this other orientation one more time. Yeah, voltage, voltage, no voltage, no voltage. Did I pull a bad fuse, maybe? Negative. It's a good looking fuse. Okay. Back again. I'm gonna pull this fuse that was not giving me voltage. Okay, it looks good. I don't see where it's blown up. Let's just verify that with the metering device here. Back to continuity, back to the alarm. Testing the device. And okay, the fuse is good. It's making contact. So what's the deal? Whatever. Let's try a different fuse and see if that one makes contact. Yes. And okay, it makes contact there. And this side. Okay. This should work. Let's see what happens. Why aren't you working? We have a faulty little add-a-fuse thing. That's the problem here. That's for sure the problem. Let's check it now with that other fuse. So we're plugged in. The wrong range. Okay, voltage, voltage, no voltage, no voltage. Let's flippy flop it, see what happens. There's some voltage. Very odd, okay. Check that blue fuse, the 15 amp, and now that one is not getting power. Weird. Oops, I didn't want to lose that. Come back. Alright, well, let's eliminate this. And put in the fuse that's supposed to be there. Now let's see if all of our stuff comes back on. Plug you in. Oh, you hear those relays? I hear them. Okay. Ha! Look at that. We have radio power, and let's check for some power at the 12-volt outlets. And look at that. There's voltage on one outlet. Let's plug it into the other one. And again, voltage. Okay, so what's happening here is we've got this we have the wrong fuse adapter that plugs into this slot right here, and it's not making a good connection. See the difference in the fuse types? So we've got the wrong stuff installed on top of the not having any fuses installed at all. So I thought that was it, but I thought wrong. We need to find one of these that is designed for this type of fuse. Let me go see if I've got one. If not, we'll get it ordered. Stand by, be right back. Okay, off to my chest of goodies to see if we've got the appropriate add-a-fuse connector. I might actually have one. I just might. I think it's this one. Ah! Yeah, this is like some fuses. None of that's the right stuff. I swear I have one of those pigtails somewhere. Let's see. Oh, it's my dog. She's cute. That was her boarding pass so she could get on an airplane. Aha! And look, it's the micro fuse style. Now I just need 2 fuses. Let's see what I've got. Connectors, no. Shotgun shell, maybe later. Too fast, too furious nitrous oxide switch. Ooh, okay. All right, there's one. Cool. It's not a 15 amp, but I think it'll do. A pair of 10s. Okay. Let's go try this connector. Let's see what happens. Let's see how we're going to orchestrate this here. Okay, so we know this is the wrong one, so let's lose this guy. Oh, just to kind of prove it out. You see the connector difference? Stop wiggling, camera. Let's see. Put that there. I've already got a butt connector on this. That's how they come. Let's go ahead and strip some of this off. I know you guys are going to get mad at me for not soldering this and all that other good stuff. I'm sorry. This is a crimp connector kind of situation. I mean, it's interior work too, so we're going to be fine. No exposure to elements like rain and snow and sleet and hail and things of that nature. Okay. Begin becoming plugged in now. So we're going to do the 10 amp circuit on the add-a circuit. That's this one right here. And we'll do the 15 amp circuit on the original one. That way we don't lose any circuit protection capacity, so to speak. And there's our 15. Okay, let's see what happens now. Plug this guy back in. Oh, the relays went clicking. Alright, let's fire the meter back up just to double check. And we have voltage, 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 and voltage. Excellent. All the circuits are functioning as designed. And look at that. Look at here. We've got a radio working again. And, whoa, horn. Let's just check these power outlets one more time. Yep. 13 volts on this outlet. And the second one, again, 13 volts. So we're good here. And what do you know? All the lights have turned off except for the oil change illuminator. Very good. Okay, solve the problem. Let's restart it one more time just to verify. Powering on. And brake light on. Good. Brake light off. Oh, that one went out too. How about that? All right, cool. Victory. Success. Who'd have thought installing the correct part would make the problem go away? You know what kills me though is somebody just installed this and they didn't even put the fuses inside of it, and then they gave it back to the people that own this thing. That's that bugs me a little bit. Why are we always ripping people off? You know, it's not even, I don't even think it's people ripping people off. I think it's ignorance that's the problem. I think folks are so ignorant they don't realize that they're actually ripping people off because they don't know what they're doing. They're just trying to do what they've been asked or told to do, and they have zero knowledge on exactly what it is that they're doing. And I think that's what gives us all a bad name, worse than anything, is ignorance. Yeah, I think ignorance is often conflated with people trying to rip people off or people scamming other people, and it may not even be malcontent. It may just be you're not qualified to do what you're trying to do. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and step off my soapbox before I get angry and start talking about taxes and libertarianism. So on that note, as always, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, you know what to do. Tap that like button down below. All right guys, I'm all done. This is complete. I have to fetch my goodies and I'm out of here. So again, and as always, thank you for watching. And most importantly, do not forget to have yourselves a great day. See you guys later. End of transmission. NPR powering down. Meter powering down. Ray powering down. Goodbye, Isuzu.